movie and we didn't even know. Oh, watch.
What's that, Felicity?
Watch.
Oh, it lights up.
Yeah, press the button.
Okay.
There you go.
Felicity, what else is in your stocking? What's in there? You having trouble?
Yes.
You want me to help you?
Oh, an Elmo book. Open it.
Hold on, I'm gonna go light the Christmas candle so it'll smell Christmas.
Okay, you go do that. Felicity's still digging in her stocking. What's in there?
Daddy.
Can you get it?
Yes.
Can you get it out?
Yes.
Pull it. You gotta pull it out. Pull it out of that stocking. Mama crammed way too much stuff in there, apparently. You need help? You need help? Okay, I'll help you. Hold on.
Oh, that Minnie Mouse doll is kind of big. To go in there.
What's in there? What's in there? What's that next thing? Oh, look at that. Shake, shake.
Open.
Those are Tootsie Rolls.
Tootsie Roll.
That's right. What else is in your stocking? Can you forget anything else?
No.
What else is in there?
Please.
What's that? Shake, shake.
Whoa, me.
Whoa, wee. Look, Mommy's in the video.
Oh, you're doing video? Oh. I'll help you.
Okay, Felicity, we're gonna stop video for now.